Hi everyone! So I just took a shower. I washed my hair with a very strong purifying shampoo because I'm gonna do my keratin treatment today. I should do it from like a week or 2 weeks ago. I don't remember, but I just wanted to start fresh in the new year, and as I'm gonna start new work in a couple of days and I'm very busy from the first day of the year, so I decided to do what I need to do like while I'm chilling at home for a couple of days. So yeah, I just wash it. I'm gonna like dry a bit because I need to have my hair completely dry. And if you want to see the keratin treatment, the effect of it, and the processing, everything, I already have a video on my channel. You can check it out. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below, especially in the description box. If you want to go and check it out, it's very amazing. I'm really in love with this keratin treatment. It's Alfa Parf keratin treatment. Because I use it many times, and the more I use it, the more it's more effective, and I feel the difference in my hair. So I am in love with it so far. It's just so good. So this is me at home in my beautiful robe de chambre, or the what's called robe. Okay, and I have a beautiful okay, it's okay, this one is the full exfoliating mask because I really need something for my feet, and I guess I'm gonna chill the rest of the day, dust my home a bit because I need to be dusting, like a quick dusting. It's clean, but I need to be quick dusting, washing some dishes, and doing beautiful lunch today. I guess I'm gonna order fish because I need to chill, but in the same time I don't want to order fish because that one makes me sleepy. I can counter it with drinking more coffee than usual to make me awake. And if I done before it's too late, maybe I will do a makeup tutorial or just recording some videos. Yeah, I just want to spend today chilling and enjoying the last couple of days in this year. It was massive. I had a lot of things, a lot of events, a lot of good and bad things. I'm not gonna say it's all bad or it's all good. That's life, and I've learned a lot this year, really a lot this year. I know a lot of people, I knew that I thought they were good, but they weren't. And some people that I thought that maybe they were bad, but they aren't. And yeah, I've learned a lot of things, especially controlling my emotions. Most of the time, my responses to bad events is not as angry or as nervous as I was before. My thinking become better and just more arranged, and I can feel that I'm different this year, and I can't wait to go to the next year, like a new one. And I modified my vision board. I added a couple of pictures. I'm gonna show you. This one is new, and these two, like this one is new, this one is new. I modified some of them really, because and there's other couple of pictures I need to find like a blue stacks to at least make it stuck in the wall. I need to search. I know I have some, but if I haven't, I have some somewhere, but I can't remember where. Anyway, so yeah, this is for today for the keratin treatment. You can check it in the description box down below. And yeah, enjoy your day. I love you so much. And the food thing will come in a couple of days when it's completely peel off, because they say it takes from 3 to 5 days to completely peel off your feet. So the review will be coming in the next week, I guess. So I'm in the process. So it's gonna be recording in a multi-section. So yeah, I love you so much, guys. Enjoy your last few days, and I wish you happy holidays and happy new year, and wish you the best the next year. Love you. Bye.